So welcome to Parts for Trucks. My name is Grant Ash, and we're very excited to talk to you about a new product that we have today. It's a new technology that's been released to us from one of our vendors, and we've been given exclusive rights to talk about and sell this product. This technology uses patent-pending bulbless design, replaces your traditional light with a special probe that emits high-frequency pulses of electricity through an electroluminant liquid to provide a brighter, cleaner, and more cost-effective method of signaling. Over the life of a truck, it's expected to save between $8,000 and $10,000 while reducing maintenance on the electrical system by 5%. What really makes this system work is this specialty formulated electroluminance liquid that, in combination with a light bulb and retrofit kit, will produce a brighter, sharper, and more visible blink. At launch, the electroluminance formula will be sold in three sizes: 500 ml, which is rated for 8,000 signals, the 1 liter, which is rated for 16,000 signals, and the 18.9 liter for over 300,000 signals, and will be available both in orange and yellow emission colors. This technology is expected to be publicly available in September 2023 and will be stocked exclusively by us on day one. If you're ready to experience the next generation of blinking technology, join our mailing list in the description below to be the first to know when this product lands on our shelves.